Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna spy. I'm gonna scare someone. Duh! What? There's no one in there? Oh, that was such a fail. I know who to scare. Dun, dun. I think he found me first. Come here, kitty. Come here. Come here. Come here. Her, my kitty cat. He comes in the bathroom with me and I pet him. Kitty! How dare you leave me? What you want, kitty? What you want? Want outside? Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. It's cold out there. And I gotta turn the light back on. What do you want? What? Oh. That's all you want. You want that? Let me get that wax around your head. Eh. Eh. There. There we go. I'm not pulling hard, I promise, guys. But he took it. He took it from me. Guys, like my kitty cat? Kitty cat. I love you so much, kitty cat. Here is my kitty cat named Alex. He's tame. He used to be my aunt's cat. She had to get rid of hers because she had so many. She was finding a barn for him. Then we decided to keep him, and I like how we got him. Sorry, kitty. Kitty cat, kitty, kitty, kitty cat, kitty cat. Look at that perfect picture right there. If I can get it into that position. Whatever. Love you. It's so cute. You don't like me doing that? Why not? Whoops. I did not end this. I did not end at all, apparently. I don't know. Anyways, guys. There is my kitty cat. That perfect picture. I was pushing him. I didn't realize. I'm sorry, kitty cat. Kitty cat is giant. Look at underneath his legs. There's Mr. Alex. I usually call him Mr. Kitty Cat, even though his name is Alexander the Gray. New kill.